So guys, recently I have unboxed Infinix S5. You guys gave us such an amazing response, especially people from Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching that video. You're welcome on this channel. And by the way, that device was one of the cheapest device that comes with the punch hole display notch. Amazing, isn't it? I mean, it comes for 9,000 Indian rupees, which is amazing. And to reduce the cost further, Infinix has released another device, which is right over here. This is Infinix S5 Lite, the younger brother of that same phone. And it comes with the same punch hole display. So, I've got it right over here before it even launches. So, here it is. I am going to unbox it in front of you guys and give you first impression of this device. So, hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir and this is the unboxing and first impression overview of this Infinix S5 Lite. So, let's begin. So guys, finally I've got the box of this Infinix S5 Lite over here in the studio, and thank you so much Infinix for sending this product for the review before it is even launched in India. So yeah, with that said, let's start. So this is the box guys. First of all, let me quickly remove this plastic wrapping, then I'll show the box. So this is the box guys. Infinix S5 Lite 4GB 64GB. Yes, this smartphone comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage. On the back, it shows some of the information about this phone, like Infinity O display, 6.6-inch display, which is a HD plus, not the full HD one. So yeah, 16 megapixel front facing camera, AI triple rear camera, 4000 mAh battery. We have 3D face unlock and all those things. And the MRP is around 10,000 rupees. So I will let you know the price of this phone in the description box below as well as in the comments. Please go and refer the comments as well as the description. Let's quickly cut the seal and open this box. So this is the Infinix S5 Lite. Okay, it literally looks like an Infinix S5. Let's quickly remove this plastic wrapping. And let's remove this cover too. So as you see, this is the Infinix S5 Lite guys. It looks pretty good as of the first impression. I mean, it is literally looking like a Infinix S5. Let's quickly boot it up. While it's booting up, let's see what else we got inside the box. Okay, this looks disappointing because this one has only 5 volt and 1.2 ampere charger, which is a 6 watt charger, which is, I don't think so that it's a good idea. And we have the SIM removal tool, a micro USB port, some paperwork is also present over here, a silicone TPU case which has some pretty interesting design, and a screen guard. Okay, so all those necessary stuff which are present in the box of any Infinix device, as you might know that. Let's put everything aside for a moment and let's see the phone itself. As you see, it is turned on right now. I mean, not in that way, but yeah, it is turning on. Let's quickly set it up. Skip for now. While it's booting up, let me give you the overview of this phone. So guys, on the back we have triple cameras. We have the primary 16 megapixel camera, 2 megapixel lens for depth sensor, and we have quad LED flash, we have fingerprint scanner, we have Infinix logo, S logo, and this is the plastic back which looks like a glass. And on this side we have the power button and the volume rocker, and on the top there's nothing. On this side we have SIM tray. On the bottom we have the primary microphone hole. I mean, this is the microphone hole, this is the micro USB port, this is a speaker grill, and 3.5mm headphone jack, which is there in every other Infinix device. Let's quickly open the SIM tray and let's see what kind of a combination they are offering right now. So as you see, we are getting a hybrid slot over here, which is great. Let's quickly add the fingerprint as well as the face unlock. Okay, the face is unrolled. Let's quickly enroll the fingerprint too. Okay, the fingerprint is also added. Guys, look at this phone. Wow, this phone costs just around 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, which is insane, and we are getting such an amazing display. As you see over here, wow guys, I'm super impressed right now. We have our earpiece over here and some sensor is also present. We have the 16 megapixel camera over here, and we have this 6.6 inches of HD plus IPS display, even though as of the first impression the display looks pretty good. Wow, it is plenty bright. I mean, it's a 8,000 rupee phone, 9,000 rupee phone, so as of now it looks pretty good. Let's test the fingerprint unlock. It's good. It takes around a second to unlock, but yeah, it's good enough. Well, this is the phone, guys. Let's test the cameras quickly. We have I guess 3 cameras, one depth sensor and one low light mode. I guess there is no wide angle lens. Let's quickly take some pictures. Let's quickly take some selfies too. So these are some pictures, guys, which I've took with this phone, and wow, impressive, guys. I mean, wow. It's a budget phone, so don't expect the miracle over here, but it's good enough. I will test it more and let you know in the full review. And this is a selfie, guys. Don't mind my hair by the way right now. So as you see, this is the front facing selfie, the 16 megapixel selfie. It looks good enough. So yeah, guys, this was the phone. I will test it more and give you the full review of this phone. Let me quickly tell you some other things, like it is running on Android P 9.0, so that's great. And it has 64 GB internal storage and 4 GB of RAM, so that's great. And by the way, let me tell you that it is running on that same old processor, which is, you know, Helio P22. Oh my god. But yeah, it is running on Helio P22. So yeah, that's all, guys. So yeah, guys, this was the unboxing and first impression of this Infinix S5 Lite, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then hit that like button, share this video with your friends who are looking to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone in this price category. It will be very, very helpful for me as well as for them. Yeah, so if you love my content, you can subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification icon, so you will be notified when I post new videos like this one on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Bye.